Hello guys, I hope you are all fine. In this video we will be discussing about the dividing function for calculating recurrence relations if they are given to you, and it calculates the complexity faster if you can create recurrence relations faster. The important point is over here you can see t of n is given as a of t of n by b plus n raised to power k log of p n. So this is regarding your dividing function where a of t of n by b plus n raised to power k log of p n is given. Now all you need to do is equate this equation with whatever is given to you. Anything can be given to you and there will be certain cases. There are three cases. First case is you have to calculate log of b a, log of base b a. You have to compute it whether it is equal to k or is it greater than k, is it equal to k, or it is less than k. So if this is greater than k, the answer would be order of n raised to power log of base b a. If it is equal to k, there will be three scenarios. We have to calculate the value of p. If there is log which is existing, then it means it is a particular scenario. If there is no log which is present, we have to see what value of p has. So if p is greater than minus 1, the answer would be order of n raised to power k log of p plus 1 n, and if it is p is equal to minus 1, it is order of n raised to power k log of log n, and if it is if p is less than minus 1, the answer would be order of n raised to power k. And same scenario, we have to calculate log of base b a less than k. If p value is greater than 0, it is order of n raised to power k log of p n. If p is less than 0, it is order of n raised to power k. I have already mentioned the formulas in the description box. Kindly see that, kindly download it from your Google Drive. By default you will get all the formulas. Let's just calculate some certain results, and we have a question with us which is we have to calculate for I am putting the question here, t of n by 2 plus n. We might have calculated this equation already in your previous videos. I will post the link of that in description box, but you can see over here t of n by 2 plus n. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate a, b as well as n. A value should be greater than equal to 1. So if I am computing it with a of t of n by b plus n, a value is 1, your b value is 2, or we have to compute with n raised to power k log of p n. So we just have to calculate log of base b n. Let's just calculate this first. Question is t of n is t of n by 2 plus n. We have to calculate first thing log of base b and a value, which is log 1, and I have to compute it with compare it with k. So what will be the value of k? Since I have to compare, we have already got log base b a is 1 log of 2 1. We have to calculate the log of 1, whatever the value is, we have to calculate. Then we have to compare it with n raised to power k log of p n is equal to n. Clearly guys, there is power of 1 over here. This is power of 1, and what is log of p n? There is no log given in this particular term. So it means your p value is 0 clearly because there is no log, and your k value is 1. Now you have to compare log of b a with k, and k value is 1. You have to compare 1 with log of 1. Obviously 1 is higher. So this will be a scenario of your log of base b a, which is log of 1, is less than 1. We have to see what kind of scenario we are going to deal with. So this is first thing. I hope this is clear to all. Second thing is we have to calculate what is the value of p. So p was already equal to 0. Your p was already equal to 0. So how you are going to calculate? So we have got k value as 1, log of BA is log 1. So log of BA is less than k. We have got this thing. P value was 0. If p is greater than equal to 0, the complexity would be order of n raised to power k log of Pn. P value is 0, so this is nothing, there is no log term. Order of n raised to power k, k value was 1, so answer was order of n1. Order of n1 was the answer that we calculated in the previous video also. So this all depends upon the value of k, the value of p, and obviously the values of a's and b's. Hopefully this is clear. We can get another kind of question with T of n as 2t n by 2 plus n. So guys, clearly your a is 2, b is 2, right? Log of 2 is already 1, right? Your k value is, you have to compare n with n raised to power k log of Pn. Over here k and k, we can get k value as 1 and your p value is 0. Eventually log of BA is actually equal to your k. If it is equal to k, you have to see which case it is existing. Your p value, there is no log written over here. Clearly your p value is 0. It means this is belonging to this particular case. Why? Because your p value is greater than -1. Your p value was found to be 0, which is greater than -1. The complexity would be order of n raised to power k, which is 1. We have calculated. A log of p, we haven't got any value of p, is 0. 0 plus 1 means log of 1 n. So the answer is n log n. So this is n log n, which is calculated in various cases of merge sort also. So that is the recurrence relation of 2t n by 2 plus n for that particular scenario as well. So here we calculated, there was a case of this particular case where log BA was equal to k. We can get any other scenario as well, like over here we can get this scenario. We have got t of n is given as 8 of t of n by 2 plus n. Again, this is a scenario. We got n over here, it means n is equated with n of log of Pn. So k value is equal to 1, p value is equal to 0. We have to calculate log of base 2, which is and which is 8. So 8 can be written as 2 raised to power cube. I can clearly get 3 log 2. That answer is 3. So log BA is 3, k value is 1, log BA is greater than k. If this is greater than k, what can be the answer? If log BA is greater than k, clearly this belongs to this particular case, and the answer of this is this answer with answer is clearly written over here. Theta is log of n power log of BA, and this we calculated as, actually log BA we calculated as cube. So the complexity is order of n raised to power cube. So we discussed all the 3 cases in this particular video. We calculated all the recurrence relations. Now we just need to find out p. P is found out if there is no log terms. By default it is 0, but there are some cases where p value can be given. Like for an example, we can get a question of t of n. We got we can take it as at n by 2 plus n log n. So guys, it is very easy to compare n log n with n raised to power k log n. So if I have to compare n log n with n raised to power k log of Pn, clearly your k value is 1, your p value is also 1, and your log BA is 3 we have already calculated. Again this belongs to this particular case. Log BA is greater than k, so complexity is order of n raised to power log Bn. The answer is order of n raised to power q. So that's what we have got. So these kind of questions can be asked. You can be given various recurrence relations. You just need to find out what case it belongs to. All the cases, again I tell you, that have been mentioned in my description box. So if there is any doubt, you just post it in comment section. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for the support.